Hi everyone, another day and another word from God. Thank you for tuning in this Bible reading series, Following Jesus. Today we are reading in John 17, verse 20 to verse 26. It's titled Jesus Prays for All Believers. This is what it says here. My prayer is not for them alone. I pray also for those who believe in me through their message, that all of them may be one. Father, just you are in me and I am in you. May they also be in us, so that the world may believe that you have sent me. I have given them the glory that you gave me, that they may be one as we are one, I in them and you in me, so that they may be brought to complete unity. Then the world will know that you sent me and have loved them even as you have loved me. Father, I want those you have given me to be with me where I am, to see my glory, the glory you have given me because you loved me before the creation of the world. Righteous Father, though the world does not know you, I know you, and they know you that you have sent me. I have made you known to them and will continue to make you known, in order that the love you have for me may be in them, and that I myself may be in them. Thanks everyone for listening. God bless.